Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to turn on disappearing messages in WhatsApp Web. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web by launching your web browser and navigating to the WhatsApp Web website. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click on the three dots menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy. Step 5. Now, click on Default Message Timer. Step 6. Choose your preferred time duration from the list provided, such as 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. And that's it. You've successfully turned on disappearing messages in WhatsApp Web. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.